Welcome to a cold December, Sky Watchers. This month is one in which often different peoples from across the globe observe light in some form of celebration. We're going to take a look at some of the lights and their meanings that can be viewed across our part of the globe during the coming weeks. Let's transport outside and look up. We've arrived at this coming Friday night, December the 13th, right after 9 p.m., when you may be able to spot several lights streaking by during the peak of the Geminid meteor shower. This shower runs from December 4th through the 17th, but peaks as the 13th changes over to the 14th. The shower may produce up to 119 meteors per hour, but that is in particularly dark skies. Occasionally, meteor showers can be viewed even in well-lit skies. On November 11, 2019, a super bolide, meaning really bright, meteor that was part of the Taurid meteor shower streaked across the Midwestern United States. The fireball was bright enough to set off security cameras and video doorbells in the St. Louis area and was observed by skywatchers in 7 different states. Friday observation of the Geminids will be obscured by a bright moon that will reach 100% illumination Sunday. The last time a full moon fell on Christmas Day was 2015. The next time will be Christmas 2034. This Sunday is also the 54th anniversary of the landing of the Venera 7 spacecraft, the first spacecraft to land on another planet, and the first to transmit its discoveries to Earth. The Soviet spacecraft recorded temperatures of 475 degrees Celsius on the surface of Venus, and that the second planet from the Sun has an atmospheric pressure 90 times that of Earth. Not a good place for a winter vacation at all. On the 15th, Venus can be spotted low in the west, just after sunset, in the constellation Capricornus, the Sea Goat. You couldn't take a true winter vacation, as astronomical winter does not begin until the 21st. If we rotate our gaze from south to west on the longest night of 2024, we can spot one of the most beautiful displays of light available to December skies, M42, the Orion Nebula. 1,300 light years away, this deep sky object appears as a fuzzy patch to the naked eye, but gains detail with a pair of binoculars or other tools. A telescope will reveal the Trapezium cluster, a group of 4 bright stars at the core of the emission nebula. Red light in M42 represents sulfur and infrared observation. The blue-violet color is radiation from the stars at the nebula's core. The green is doubly ionized oxygen, and the orange is the result of hydrogen. M42 shares Orion's sword with one other deep sky object, the Running Man Nebula, which will be particularly well positioned for viewing again this Saturday, the 14th. 1,500 light years away, the nebula gets its name from resembling the outline of a running man. Its best views are better captured photographically rather than with a typical consumer-grade telescope. A reflection nebula, this gathering of stellar dust and gases does not produce its own light, but rather reflects that of nearby star 42 Orionis, a hot young star with a mass 12 times that of the Sun. The brightest observable light from Earth. Don't be left in the dark about exciting space discoveries to come. During next month's Void, we'll preview space missions and observations to look forward to in 2025, including the launch of Artemis II, the arrival of Bepi Colombo to Mercury, and the return to Venus, this time in search of life. Join us the second Tuesday of next year, Tuesday, January the 14th. Until then, thanks for watching and keep discovering.